Hello everyone, welcome back and happy to see you on Technical World. Today I get the following error notification. When I try to update my Facebook app, it says waiting, and this message is showing for a long time. When we try to open App Store, here also the Facebook app long time loading but not updating, and also there is no any option available to cancel this process. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, just locate the Facebook app icon and tap and long press the Facebook app until we get the cancel download option. When we get the cancel download option, we have to tap on cancel download to finish this process. After that, go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button and quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And after the forced restart, we have to do the second thing. Go to settings, tap on channel and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of storage. If the iPhone is running out of storage, then free up some space by deleting or offload some apps. After doing these two steps, try to download or update the Facebook app. Hopefully you get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.